Would you like to recession-proof your dealership without raising your floor plan at no cost to you? Your dealership typically will attract customers in your general vicinity. Join AITHR HUB for free and be a part of Canada's fastest growing inventory pool. Increase your market share across all provinces and gain more full retail sales. AITHR HUB is like an MLS system for vehicles, except you don't have any tire kickers or multiple dealerships calling you. Only when we have a pre-approved buyer and that vehicle matches the approval do we contact you. You get full retail price and full funds within 48 hours. For a dealer to find your vehicles in the hub, they must input 4 values from their pre-approval: the pay call, interest rate, trade-in value, and the amount owing into our software. If one of your vehicles matches the approval, only then will it pop up in the software. This prevents anyone from cherry-picking your inventory. Remember, your vehicle will be selected only if the list price fits the approval. There is no haggling. If the other dealership chooses to proceed, we satisfy your price and make the deal happen. We take care of all the details. We coordinate the paperwork, take care of shipping, and handle all logistics. The buyer covers all the costs. It's a win-win-win for you.